Hello. So today we are going to be looking at the viral clip that's actually going on, saying that it's some sort of UFO occurrence and it's a proof of aliens. And this supposedly is breaking the laws of physics. And in the mainstream news outlets, this is the major video that's being played whenever UAP of declassification is mentioned. So we're going to be looking at it and trying to explain what this actually is. There is a clear-cut explanation to what this actually is, but it's not proven yet, of course. Uh, I don't. There's no actual scientific proof to it because most of the things are redacted here. All we could see is just a visual reference, right? You could see that the speed, the time, everything is just redacted. We could just see the structure itself. But even with that, we can make out a few things here and there. So let's first look into the video itself. Um, so here we are clearly zooming into some sort of an object right here. So you could see a crystalline kind of structure right here, and you have to keep in mind that it's leaving behind some white trails. So that's very important and a key hint towards what this actually is. So it's making this zigzag sort of motion, very random motion. There is no clear-cut explanation or a pattern to it. It's just a random patterns that we can see. And if you look at the left top corner, what you would have noticed is that there's some sort of a black shadowy figure. Look at that. That shadowy figure is actually kind of attached to the structure itself, and it's influencing it. What you could clearly notice is that the object always is moving in the opposite direction of the parachute right here, and it's actually real physics, which is called drag, right? The drag force is responsible for it. Now you could see that the parachute went backwards, the object went forwards. We can replay that one more time. So you could see that. Yeah, you could see that, right? So it's moving accordingly. So the object is clearly moving opposite to the parachute right here. So there's actual physics to it. Now I searched it up, and look, this is the physics right here. So the drag and the weight. So those are opposing forces, and they're acting like that. So now let's get into the discussion that's happening on Twitter, right? So you could see that, you know, there is already an explanation to it. So smoke trails, flare, and you could see parachute, smoke trail, flare. So this is basically the gist of it. Basically, everyone has been talking about that. There is a good reply. There is a good post about that. You could check this out. And actually, some people are claiming that it's not a parachute; it's a lens flare. But we could clearly debunk it using the thrust and the weight of the object. So that's debunked, and basically that's that. So yeah, and some people, of course, have been saying that it's some sort of biblical angel, which is definitely I don't personally think it's true. So I have a video right here. It's showcasing the white trails that's occurring. Yeah, so basically that's that. So the explanation is a parachute flag.